Spiritual care started in 2005 with Chaplain Carol Jeffries and the generous and enthusiastic support of the Castex Foundation. Today, spiritual care is found in Oconomowoc, West Dallas, and Brown Deer. We offer 13 weekly spiritual care groups, individual consults, clergy visits, access to on-site and off-site worship services, including Ash Wednesday, Good Friday, Easter, and Christmas. Our growth has been amazing. In 2009, we completed 600 spiritual care consults. In 2019, that number had risen to 1,800. And in the past year alone, spiritual care has engaged in over 7,400 patient contacts. So the pandemic has definitely affected how we deliver spiritual care services, but it has not at all affected our commitment to our patients. We still want to provide quality spiritual care for our patients. We need to remember not only has the pandemic been a medical crisis and an economic crisis, but a mental health crisis. And for that reason, the need for spiritual care services has never been greater. One of our patients remarked that even though he was an atheist, he felt very comfortable and included in the spiritual care group facilitated by one of our chaplains. It's always our goal for people to be able to connect with something that nourishes their soul. So comments like that from patients are exactly what we're after. Spiritual care at Rogers Behavioral Health continues to be supported by our many wonderful, enthusiastic donors. Honestly, we like to say our donors are the wind in our sails. And if our donors did not help us, we could not provide the excellent spiritual care services that we do on a daily basis and that the treatment team and patients expect of us. We are so excited about the Laddish Co. Foundation Center. This will be a beautiful, light-filled space and provide a permanent home for spiritual care. The 598 square foot chapel is going to be beautiful, light-filled, lots of windows, and feature a signature piece by artist William Bramer. It'll be a place, the chapel, where you can sit, meditate, pray, check out a book from the library, and as you pass through the chapel, you'll enter into the outdoor meditation garden. So many of our patients have expressed how important nature is in their healing and recovery, and so this meditation garden will just help to be that beautiful space that can connect with nature. We're very excited about the Laddish Co. Foundation Center. Perhaps you receive many requests for your hard-earned resources. I know I do. And you may be thinking, why should I support the spiritual care program at Rogers Behavioral Health? I have two words for you: everlasting impact. All the time we receive cards, letters, sometimes emails from patients, and those cards and letters have this tone. Thank you so much for meeting with me in treatment. I thought I had lost my faith, and you reminded me God is always there for me. And I've seen Him at work in my life at Rogers and since I left treatment. Or, thank you for helping me process my anger and disappointment with God. My relationship with God now is closer than ever. Won't you please consider partnering with us, supporting Rogers Behavioral Health Spiritual Care to make an everlasting impact? Thank you.